Hello students, let me start DIF FFT algorithm. In this video session, I will let you know what exactly is decimation in frequency fast Fourier transformation algorithms. Okay. Till now, you have seen DIT FFT algorithm, where in DIT FFT algorithm, you are doing decimation in time side. You already know the algorithm. The algorithm, how it is. Say, let me take this as an algorithm. Okay, maybe first stage or a full flow diagram, whatever it is. How will be the input in the DIT FFT? DIT FFT, the input will be, say, let me take 8. Okay, this is decimation in time. Now, how you will be writing the inputs? X0, X4, X2 and X6, X1, X5, X3 and X7. What about the output? Output which you are receiving, say 8 outputs. Will come serially. X of k is or x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6 and x7. The result or the output has come serial. This is serial. This is bit reversal we call. I will talk about those theories later, but this is decimated. This is decimated. That's what is all about in DIT. Maybe first stage or second stage. Here it is decimated. Time side it is decimated. Frequency side it is serial. What about in DIF? DIF, what happens is the things get reversed here. Whatever output was there, output side was there, that comes to input side goes to output side. That means, say, the algorithm looks like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and outputs. This is DIF algorithm, maybe first stage or second stage. Here the input comes serially. X0, X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, X6, X7. No bit reversal or no decimation here. This is serial. Okay. Now what happens here at the output is first X0, then X4, then X2, then X6, X1, X5, X1, X5, X3 and X7. Okay. Now this is decimation. This is decimated. Okay. Frequency side it is decimated. It is serial in time side. That's what is the difference between DIT and DIF. Decimation in frequency. Decimation in frequency happens. Okay. With a formula or with equations, I will do that, whatever understanding is required. But you first, how to solve the example, we will try that. Next board I will take a numerical example. The things will be more clear to you once I explain the numerical example for the all 3 stages, and then later I will take the theoretical background or derivation of the equations. Okay, but it is same as that of DIT FFT algorithm. Only thing is whatever last stage was there, that comes to first stage. First stage goes to last stage in case of DIF. That's all. Everything gets interchanged. That's what is the concept here. Okay. Let me go to next board where I will take the numerical example. Same as the previous DIT FFT algorithm which I had taken. Okay. I will solve it. The things will be more clear to you. Okay. Let me go to next board now. Okay, students, let me continue with the numerical example on DIF FFT algorithm. I am taking the same example which we are discussing in the earlier video, that is x of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 3, 2, 1, that is n is equal to 8 in this example. I have already drawn 8 lines here so that the flow diagram can be demonstrated. First point is to enter x of n onto the flow diagram. You know that it comes serially here. There is no decimation in the time side. That means here x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6 and x7 are coming in serial. Hence, I just write them here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 3, 2, 1. I have entered all the data. Now, let me draw the flow diagram. Okay. In flow diagram, whatever output stage was there, that is crisscross, full flow diagram, whatever crisscross was there, no, that comes in the input side. That's the thing here. In DIT FFT, whatever flow diagram, butterfly diagram was there at the output stage, it comes at the input stage for DIF. That's all. You will understand it when I draw it. These dots I am drawing so that I can join correctly. That's all. Okay. Now I'll be multiplying with here 8 point DFT, that is W80, W81, W82 and W83. Anyway, let me draw the full flow diagram. Now 4 point DFT points here. Last stage 2 point DFT points. Crisscross. Okay, I have drawn full flow diagram. Let me show where are adding points and subtracting points. Same as the previous DIT. That's why I want you to practice DIT completely. This is the adding points. This is -1 points, subtraction points. Okay, adding points and subtraction points, -1. Adding points, subtraction points. And generally, as I told you, at subtraction points, I will write -1 so that I have to do that operation. I keep it in mind that I will do that operation. Here, -1, -1. -1. Okay. Now after this, you should know that at -1 points you should add the twiddle factor W40, W41, W40, W41. Okay. Now this twiddle factor I will write anyway so that it is complete. W80 is 1. W81 is equal to 0.707 minus J 0.707 882 is equal to minus j, 883 is equal to minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. Here W40 is equal to 1 and W41 is equal to minus j, which to be multiplied. Okay, we have completely drawn the flow diagram. Now we are into action for doing the calculations. Okay, the calculation is very simple. It is like adding and subtraction, nothing more than that. You should be very careful while you do this simple addition and subtraction. Now 4 comes to this point, 1 comes, and adding gives you 5. Now at the same point 2 comes and 3 comes, adding 5. 3 comes and 2 comes, adding gives you 5. 4 comes and 1 comes, adding gives you 5. Now 1 minus 4 minus 3. 2 minus 3 minus 1. Okay. And 3 minus 2, 1. And 4 minus 1, 3. Okay. I have entered all the first stage data. Now these 5 transfers to the next stage, correct? 5 and these minus 3 minus 1 1 and 3 get multiplied by Twiddle factor and sits here. Minus 3 multiplied by W80. W80 is 1, hence my answer is minus 3, correct? Now minus 1 get multiplied by W81. hence it becomes minus 0.707 minus 0.707 plus j 0.707. Okay, plus j 0.707. Now 1 multiplied with minus j. 3 multiplied by W83. W83 is this. 7 3 are 21. That means it becomes minus 2.121 minus j 2.121. Now coming to the next stage, 5 and 5 added gives you 10. 5 and 5 added gives you 10 here. 5 minus 5, you see minus 1 is there, hence it is 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Okay. Minus 3 minus j. Minus 3 minus j. Next, minus 2.121 minus j 2.121 added with this, giving you minus 2.828 and minus j 1.414. 414. Now next here, minus 3 minus j, minus 3 plus j. Now last here, minus 0.707 plus j 0.707 minus of this. Minus of this gives you minus means plus 2.121, hence it results 1.414 plus j 2.828. 2.828. Now 10 0 0 comes to next stage, because here I am multiplying with W40 and W41, but 0 0 is there, hence it is transferred after multiplying to 0 0. Now minus 3 minus j and minus 2.828 minus j 1.414, and after this W40 anyway it is 1, hence it is minus 3 plus j, and here last when you are multiplying 1.414 and plus j 2.828, when you are multiplying with minus j it results in 2.828 minus j 1.414. Okay, this is the stage. Now we are into Now we are into last stage of getting the answer actually. We are into last stage for getting the answer. 10 plus 10, 20. I am directly writing the answer, then let me decode it. And then 10 minus 10, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Minus 3 minus j, plus minus 2.828 minus j, 1.414, giving you giving you minus 5.828 and minus j 2.414. And next minus 3 minus j minus of this, hence gives you minus 0.1721. Okay, and then plus j 4.414 plus j 0.414 because of minus j minus of minus j 1.414. And next here minus 3 plus j and 2.828 comes into picture, giving you minus 0.172, minus 0.172 minus j 0.414, minus j 0.414, correct? Because this is minus j 1.414, this is plus j 1, adding gives you minus j 0.414. Now coming to this last point, minus 3 plus j minus of this, giving you minus 5.828 plus j 2.414, plus j 2.414. I got all the answers. Now it is very important that the output stage is decimated. It is order is shuffled here. Hence you should be careful while you write this. First is x0. Next x4. Next it is x2. Next it is x6. This is x1. x5. This is x3. And this is x7. That's what is DIF all about. Okay, this time signal serial and this is decimated. Okay, and hence I will write the answer here in a proper order. That's all. I will write the answer in a proper order. x0 is equal to 20. x1 is equal to minus 5.828 minus j 2.414. x2 is 0. x3 is minus 0.172 minus j 0.414. x4 is 0. x5 is x3 conjugate. You should know this. x5 is minus 0.172 plus j 0.414, which is conjugate. 3 and 5 are conjugate. x6 is 0. x6 is 0. And last answer x7 is minus 5.828 plus j 2.414, which is conjugate of this. You should careful about doing this. Conjugate you have to verify. If anything is going wrong, you should check for that point. That's what is all about DIF algorithm. I have solved the numerical example. I will post you an assignment. Please do that assignment. This assignment will be different from the assignment 15 and 16 which I have done. It will be different so that you get answer for a different problem. Okay, I will post you the assignment. I hope you understood. Keep it in mind that while you enter the data here, let it be serial, and while you take the output or the result, it is decimated. See to that the order by which you are writing the frequency big X or x of k is x0, x4, x2, x6, x1, x5, x3 and x7. Okay, and rest all are very similar. whatever output stage was there, that is shifted to input stage. Whatever input stage was there, crisscross, that has shifted to the output. Otherwise it is the same DIT FFT algorithm itself. If you are perfect with DIT FFT algorithm, rest all will be very easy for you. I hope you understood this example. If any doubts are there, you can contact me. I shall solve for that. Okay. Now, next, whatever algorithms I will be discussing, maybe another 2 to 3 classes based upon these two basic algorithms, that is DIT FFT and DIF FFT full flow diagrams. Okay. Anyway, next class I will deal with DIF FFT first stage decimation, because this is a full flow diagram. I directly came from full flow diagram of DIT FFT to full flow diagram of DIF FFT algorithm. This is first stage, this is second stage, this is third stage. Okay, the same will follow later. I will stop at this point.